Hello my lovely people, it's your Igbo girl the Ototayo when they bring on ogbonge news all across the world, especially in Nigeria. Oya na gbe small na gather your man yarn on the tori as e dey hot. So guys, we wan talk about the latest happening now when they happen for Nigeria. As we dey talk now, the Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Igboho, they don arrest am for Cotonou Monday night when be on the 19th of July 2021. Na the update wey we dey get now be this. So the security operatives in the West Africa country Benin Republic, na dey do wetin don hold am. So tori don come say e wan do wetin, e secretly comot for Nigeria go Cotonou, then from there e go enter Germany. So through the road na there dem come take do wetin, arrest am. So the matter be say now they say dem dey plan to bring am come back to Nigeria. If you remember, DSS go do wetin, raid the house, come bring some kind things out, say na wetin dem find for im house. Dem tell am say make do wetin, come present himself for station. Now dem wan do wetin, carry am go back to Nigeria. So guys, if you ask me now, wetin be the offence wey Sunday Igboho don commit? Wetin this man commit na when warrant government dey go after somebody wey dey try to protect his people. So wetin be the crime wey he commit wey even warrant the invasion of his house and dey still kpai people for that process? So this message is for the Yoruba leaders. Make dem do wetin, stand up. Make dem speak up for their people. Make dem no embarrass their Yoruba people while dem dey celebrate terrorists. Dem need to speak up for their people. So you see the whole matter. First of all, na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dem go arrest for Kenya. Now dem don still arrest Sunday Igboho for Cotonou. So you see to the extent when dem fit take dey go take dey arrest people, whereas the bandits, Fulani herdsmen wey dey the country, dem no fit use that measurement take dey arrest them. Dem no fit dey go further dey arrest them. Dem even dey the country. Anybody now wey just come outside say the truth, as far as say you no be APC, you are on your own. You go dey see evil, dey keep quiet. If not, dem go come after your enemy. So we no know the reason why dem dey kick against agitators. So make the world and its leaders, make dem do wetin, take note, make dem look to the issue well. So for this arrest wey dem even see arrest, e go make some Yoruba agitators do wetin, fire up more. Like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now, if you see wetin e don go through because of these agitators, that is why e still reach where e dey today. So e don go through a lot for the hand of DSS. So freedom fighter is not easy. Now Sunday Igboho don dey do wetin, dey experience e own also. So guys, this one go come take us to our second news for today. The Alpha jet wey belongs to Nigeria Air Force, e do wetin, e crash for Zamfara on Sunday evening because of an anti-banditry operation wey dem go for Zamfara state. So during this process, they say the pilot not do wetin, nothing do am. He use the saving grace, Jackie Chan take do wetin, save himself from the situation. So he come maneuver himself to the Nigeria Army unit where they take do wetin, take rescue am. So this one now, he dey come again after they don do one for Borno. If you remember the one wey bandit display. So by his saving grace, na this pilot take do wetin, save. So if you see the pilot sef, see the picture, nothing touch am. So I come dey wonder say how come, how e take do am when e take land, crash, him himself nothing touch am. They say na Jackie Chan dey use. The thing come really surprise me, say how come bandit shut down jet, Nigeria Army jet down without nothing fight. So this one come bring me to Sani when he come talk say bandits, they don do wetin, carry this war go another new dimension, another level entirely, wey people never understand. So I believe say this man, for this opportunity when he get, so when God give am, so nothing go make am go fly any jet again, say na Nigeria Air Force. In fact, maybe he go even see quit, because he no go try am again. This is second chance they give am, so God present am for am. So if he like, may he misuse am. Na very lucky person, trust me, he get luck. And another thing wey we need to ask be say, how e take survive when the jet shut down? How come e take survive inside? I still dey ask that question. No injury, no pain, nothing. Na him made the way back home. So to you, you no sure say something dey there wey they never tell us, wey we never know concern? Imagine bandits dey shut down jet, army jet for that matter. Very shameful something for the country Nigeria. And dem dey pursue separatists up and down. Dem no fit dey pursue bandits. See the guy uniform, e dey very clean, very clean. No be like who Boko Haram pursue sef. So guys, I leave the matter for now. How una see the issue? Una do wetin? Come the comment section, make we discuss about am. Na the latest happening na I say ma do wetin? Come yarn una as e dey go. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.